Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I bring you one of my favorite recipes. I'm talking about the pasta with swordfish. For this pasta we really need only few ingredients. Fusilli, parsley, fresh mint, garlic, almonds, cherry tomato, yellow and red, and of course our swordfish. Let's start with the almond that we are going to cut and toast gently in a pan, without oil, with nothing. So, just make a nice cut. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the size of my almond, so now I'm going to bake them in a pan. And we spread them around. Be careful to don't burn them. Once our almonds are ready, we put them in a bowl and we put them by side. We will use at the end of the recipe. Now we take our tomatoes that we have already washed and we simply cut them in half. Okay, now that we have cut all our tomatoes, we can cut our swordfish. Look at this, it's beautiful. First things, we remove the skin. We are not going to use this. And now we have to cut a lot of cubes. Our swordfish have been cut, our tomatoes are ready, we can start the sauce. Take a pan, turn on, we add olive oil, good amount. We mash 2 pieces of garlic. We take the parsley and we are only going to use the stem. This part has all the flavor. Now we let it go until the oil will absorb the flavor of the garlic and of the parsley. The oil is singing and is smelling very good, so at this time we can add our tomatoes. At this point we can add salt and black pepper. We let it go until the tomatoes start to melt. Then we are going to add our swordfish. Now it's time to add the swordfish, but before that we have to remove the garlic and the parsley steam that we add inside. Uno. E due. The swordfish has a really fast cooking. Basically, when it becomes white, it's ready. I would say not more than 2 minutes, so be very careful on the fire. We add. We can add a bit more of salt and a bit of olive oil. Mix well. Two minutes. The sauce is ready. We put it out of the fire. Ole. And now we add our fresh mint. We let it rest and we boil the pasta. The water is boiling. We add salt and our pasta. When it will be al dente, we will put the pasta in the sauce and we will finish to cook it there. Pasta al dente, we add to our sauce. We put into the fire and we mix well. This it will give to the pasta the maximum flavor. We add a bit of pasta water and our toasted almond. A bit more of olive oil and we keep mixing. And we are ready. This is my swordfish pasta. Here now is dinner time, so have a nice dinner. Delicious. Ciao!